Hey guys, it's Pat Daly here at Burlington Chevy with our brand new series, How Do You Do That? These vehicles have so much safety and technology. We get all kinds of questions. How do you do that? From easy to hard. It's time for us to show you. Today we're going to start off slow with this 2026 Chevy Traverse, and I'm going to show you how to properly pair your phone. This helps with safety and technology and shows you how you can do hands-free with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. So here we are inside this 2026 Chevy Traverse with the nice big infotainment screen, answering the question, how do I pair my phone? Very simple. On the screen, you're going to see icons up top. The top right icon, it's a square phone. You hit that button. Manage phones, very simple. Add device. Once again, click add device, Bluetooth pairing. Pull the phone out. You're going to go to your settings on your phone. You're going to go to your Bluetooth. On the very bottom, Chevy 5546. Hit pair. Pair on the phone. This only should take a few seconds if you do it right. Allow it for it to sync. Connect the Apple CarPlay. Enable CarPlay. Connecting. Apple CarPlay connected. Boom. Music's on. Maps, directions, everything's ready to go. Now I could drive safe, hands-free. Don't have to worry about using my phone or being distracted while I'm driving. With Chevy, safety and technology, it's at the very front of everything we do. There you go, and that's how you do that. Once again, if you have any other questions, stay tuned because we're going to show you so much more about all these vehicles have to do. Our next episode is going to be about checking tire pressure on your phone. You can always come into Burlington Chevy. We can show you in person. Come see why we're so excited about this awesome lineup that Chevy has to offer.